Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and a big subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watch the end of this video, comment down below so I can give you a shout out. So I have a list of names of what I got today. So today what I got was a tie-dye kit. It didn't come with shirts. I bought mask, but officially I had to carry it back. I couldn't get it because it was white mask to tie-dye. So basically a tie-dye kit is when you tie-dye something like this. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the kit. It's really big. So this is the kit. It comes with 30 rubber bands, 1 and 2, and it comes with 10 bottles. Okay, I don't have the mask and stuff, but I'm just showing you guys today. But I have a white shirt that I have not tie-dye, and I forgot where I put it. Okay, so basically, if I took out a blue, as you can see, there's literally powder in here. I'll show you guys. It says all you need to do is fill it up with water. It came with the powder. So if you want me to do the tie-dye video tomorrow morning, make sure to comment down below. Just comment down below right away. As soon you watch the video, comment down below. If this video gets up to 25 likes, I'll definitely do it. If that's possible, because I've never got 25 likes on a video. Okay, so yeah. If you want me to do it tomorrow, I'll definitely do it. So, and it comes with 6 gloves, which I have it wrapped right now. But my sister really wants us to tie-dye. I don't know why, but she wants us. She's literally begging me to because she tried logging into her YouTube channel and it does not work because I think the password is wrong. So we're definitely gonna do it tonight. I made up my decision. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. We do it tonight or in the morning?
We're doing it right now.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors. If I win, we have to do it in the night. No, if I lose, we have to do it in the morning. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. 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 We'll still do it. One more. Rock.
No.
Okay. She said no. Okay, so we're doing it tonight. Make sure to watch this video and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Yeah.